Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have got an exciting topic for you, especially if we are into numbers. We are going to show you how to solve some interesting questions using Excel functions. So, if you're ready, let's dive right in. As you can see, we have a sample data here where the scores of some students in various subjects. Our mission is to answer these questions quickly using Excel. First question: how many students scored more than 30 in the Hindi exam? To find this out, we'll use the COUNTIF function. And there you have it. Five students scored more than 30 in Hindi. Next, we want to know how many students scored more than 20 in Hindi and more than 30 in English. Let's use the COUNTIFS function for this. Here we have 3 students who scored more than 20 in Hindi and more than 30 in English. Moving on to the third question, what is the total score in physics for students who scored more than 30 in mathematics? We can use the SUMIFS function for this. The result is 196. Now let's find out the total score in chemistry for students who scored more than 20 in Hindi and more than 30 in English. We will use another function, which is SUMIFS. The result is 90. Now let's find out what is the average score in English for students scored exactly 20 in Hindi. For this, we will use the average if function. The result is 26.5. Lastly, let's find the average math score for students who scored more than 15 in Hindi and more than 20 in English, where we'll use average if S. The result is 25.2. There you have it, folks. We have successfully answered all these questions using Excel functions. Data analysis can be a breeze with the right tools. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like for more amazing Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. We will see you in the next video.